Giving up is easy. It's just you just stop doing whatever you're doing. You just stop living your life. Holding on is harder, but giving up is harder than that. Trust me. Sometimes when you fail and you fail and you fail and you fail, but you still can't give up because you're in your mind, you're this ultimate hero, you're this ultimate you that you cannot just give up in your own mind. Sometimes to feel like that is actually what makes holding on easier. But if you compare the two, I would say that giving up is a lot harder if you think from a very logical perspective. Hear what I'm going to say. So, yesterday I checked my bank account and there was 0 pennies left. I I just sat there. I cried the whole day. I I did not be any productive yesterday. I cried the whole night yesterday, and major part of the day today I was crying. I felt like giving up. My business has failed. I have like zero do- dollars. I have 0 rupees in my account. My account is in minus right now. I just sat there and I thought to myself of various, and I mean, I could say a vast number, millions and millions of ways to just give up. I just sat there. And then a thought occurred to me. If my mind can think of this many reasons to give up, I forced my mind to think of one reason to hold on to. And I got it. And when I got that, it was kind of like a relief to me. It was kind of like, you know, something in me just eased. Something I felt a bit relaxed. This tightness in my chest, it just it just went away for a little while. It is easy, escaping it to something. I thought maybe I would read books. I thought maybe I'll watch some movies or I'll watch some sitcoms and I'll feel great about it. But once I closed it, once the series was over, once the movie was over, it all just came crashing down on me. The reality, the reality, it just blew my mind. And then I thought, why am I doing this? Why am I, escaping in rather than facing my own reality? Sometimes I feel lazy, I agree, but every one of us feels lazy. And then something occurred to me that human beings are wired to be lazy. You know, we are made like that. Feeling lazy is not a defect. You're not mutated or something. You can you can overcome that, is what I meant to say. So as I was saying, as I sat there and tears dripped down my face, I thought I just needed one reason to go on. And that occurred to me, that one reason that kept me going was my hard work, was my passion, was my struggle that kept me going. That has been there when I felt the most lonely. That has been there into sleepless nights with me. That has been there, my desire of not failing, my desire of being something, my desire of proving everyone wrong who ever said that I couldn't do anything. And that was the thing, my friend, that I held on to. That was the thing that brought me into reality. You need to accept reality. It's it's something that you're living it just won't go away. Escaping it will not help you at all, you know and there are 3 to 4 ways in which you can you know just give up escaping reality. Escapism is not bad. Sometimes in a while, when you need to go out, when you have to have fun. But when you actually put productive time into escapism, when you actually put productive time into doing something that you like, you end up feeling guilty afterwards. You think, अरे यार ये करना चाहिए था बट मैंने क्यों नहीं किया, मैंने तो अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया, अब मैं क्या करूँगा, है ना? We all do that. I do that. I used to do that. But after today, I'm just doing that. The first step that I did was I thought of a reason that I wanted to keep going. It can be anything. It can be your family, it can be your partner, it can be your desire, it can be your ambition, it can be your dream. It can be hella money. It can be anything that you want. The first thing is that you need to come up with a reason that you need to keep going, that you need to escape whatever world that you're drifting off to. First would be that. The second would be to accepting whatever is going on in your life. Instead of just being ignorant won't fix your problems. It just won't go away. You play video games, you read a book, after your book is finished, the problem is still there. Nothing happened. By playing a video game, you did not receive hundreds and hundreds of dollars into your accounts. You did not get, by reading a book, you did not receive hundreds or hundreds of dollars. any you did not receive anything. हाँ, ज्ञान मिल गया होगा थोड़ा सा, क्या करोगे उसका, बाद में काम आएगा, ठीक है कर लो, बट that was productive time that you put into something that was not really required at that time. Third, I would like to say that you need to research about yourself. Come to get to know yourself. You need to know what kind of things you're interested in. I have heard from so many content creators on, like, everyone is saying right now, making $1 on the internet in today's time is not difficult at all. You're afraid? I'm afraid too. Make the video. Start it. Just start somewhere. Look inside yourself. Look inside yourself. See what exactly you're feeling. See what is, recognize what your talents are. Recognize what you can give outside so that people can, pay you money for actually giving it to them. Instead of just escaping, you can, do something for yourself. You can actually get money for it. As simple as that. You just need to go out into the reality, embrace the reality. You don't need anyone to do that. The fourth part is, stop just thinking about what you will be, what you're going to do, what you will be able to do. You think about the problem what with me was that once I thought about making content, and I just used to think about it. And then one of my friends, who's also a content creator, just came up to me and said, Sneha, stop thinking about it. Like, you don't need to think about it. The problem with you is that you think a lot. You just need to catch one idea and you just need to put your efforts into making that idea come true. With one thought, with one action, you just need to take a step, and the rest of the pathway is already formed for you. So try. It's difficult. It's very difficult. You can listen to music you can listen to music which will relax you. You can read books which will entertain you. You can play video games which actually will help you escape whatever shit is surrounding you. But all this will not help you. All this will not help you. All this will not help you. Don't give up yet. I have come this close to giving up today, and my first point, just hold on to something that you hold near and dear. Near and dear to yourself, again, passion, family, relationship, desire, money, anything. Pick up anything, but just don't give up yet. Alright, if you liked my video, please like and subscribe and comment about whatever is your reason to keep holding on, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodaloo.